Hello. Thank you for attending this executive webinar session at American Workflows Enterprise Software Company, also known as AWF. AWF is based in New York with a global presence. American Workflows is an AI-powered and future-proof enterprise software publishing and distribution company operating in the US and globally in the world. It is an enterprise software powerhouse. American Workflows is a division of Marvelous Workflows Corporation. To learn more about American Workflows enterprise software products, please visit www.americanworkflows.com. Now, let's get started today's executive webinar session. I would like to introduce Kevin DeVecchi as the managing partner of AWF. Kevin, would you like to take it from here? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Blake, for introductions. Much appreciated. I'm Kevin DeVecchi. I am the managing partner of American Workflows Enterprise Software Company, AWF, and I'm happy to meet with you today and introduce you today's subject for our executive webinar session. Today, we'll talk about real estate industry, how real estate industry is evolving in this digital age, and we'll also talk about how digital transformation is affecting real estate marketing practices in the age of digital transformation and in the age of AI. Today, we have Justin Quintero with us. He is the owner of SQH Properties. He has years of real estate experience in the field, and today we learn about how real estate industry is running nowadays, how technology is changing real estate industry and real estate marketing practices. So we are looking forward to learning from Justin today. Also today we have Batu Satılmış with us. He is a pre-sales software specialist in our pre-sales team at American Workflows Enterprise Software Company, AWF. After Justin's informative educational presentation, Batu will perform the demonstration of the Marvelous CRM software system. Also during this executive webinar session, you'll be able to see our contact information in our slides. If you have any questions, if you'd like to continue this conversation, to schedule an introductory meeting or a demo meeting, please feel free to send an email to us and we'll be happy to schedule time with you in person or via Zoom. Before further ado, I'd like to invite Justin to our virtual stage and learn about how real estate industry is evolving in the age of AI and digital transformation. Justin, if you're ready, please take over the screen and tell us about it. Thank you.
Kevin, thank you so much for the introduction. As mentioned, my name is Justin Quintero, and I am owner and member of SHU Properties, Constructora HBL, and Quake Investment Group. Just a quick, brief background of my companies. SHU Properties is a real estate investment company based in New Jersey. Our main focus is acquiring properties to fix and flip and also do new constructions. We do single family and multifamily as of now. Constructora HBL is a real estate development company and also a construction company in South America. Our main focus there is acquiring and partnering to develop high-scale projects such as hotels, malls, big neighborhood subdivisions, and other commercial assets. And then also our other company is the Quake Investment Group. That is another company based here in New Jersey. And that company's main focus is just acquiring commercial and residential assets for long-term hold, benefiting our private investors with cash flow and tax advantages for everyone partnering in each project. So Kevin has asked me to speak about real estate and how technology has affected it, and in a good way, obviously, because it has affected it in a good way. And in this new era of business, technology is advancing very rapidly, and real estate and the construction industry are not falling behind on this trend. And honestly, it's very exciting to see everything that's happening because it's making it a lot easier. The processes are being created are much quicker, and you can see a lot of different things that we haven't really seen before. There's a lot of different information, data, designs, and stuff that we can now see, like basically. So it's very interesting. Some things in the tech space that are new. Is artificial intelligence obviously is new everywhere, and putting it into real estate and construction has been a huge plus. Virtual reality, online marketing, data and web scraping, property management, construction estimation, budgeting and payment, property surveys, and obviously mobile apps and social media have been big. Just so you guys can kind of see, all these little pictures right here are all AI renderings of malls that I've found, and it's what I'm saying. AI has definitely created something that we can have different designs in every part of the world. So exactly. So this is just an explanation of everything that I kind of mentioned before. What AI helps us with is the instant project rendering. So it's very cool being able to say like, please, I'm building a mall, this size, around this, this amount of people, different stuff, different data that we can put in, and obviously it spits out some very cool images, and obviously it makes it very easy for the architects, engineers, and designers and investors to kind of see what they're working with very quickly. Zoning law clarifications, AI helps with that immensely. It tells you everything you need to know about it. Market trends and data trends. AI has something that all information is capable and easy to see. Virtual reality has definitely made this huge advantage as well. Making tours of property easy and anywhere. This has just really opened up the global market for every single asset. If we're talking about commercial tenants, if they're looking to lease somewhere, obviously people who are looking to buy properties, being able to tour these types of properties just from your office or your home, and then being able to have it be an investment strategy as well. Looking to see exactly where you're buying right there is a huge plus. You don't have to, you can be from anywhere. You don't have to pay airlines or whatever, and it's very easy. And then obviously in construction, in houses now, smart houses where you can control even all the lighting, the temperature, all from your phone. You can even control like your fridge from your phone, solar panels, and in the commercial and residential space, property management apps have made everything a lot easier for tenants to communicate directly with the landlords. Any repairs, everything is all under one. You could even do rental payments through the app. So that has made obviously everything a lot easier as well. We continue with the construction. There's a lot of construction estimation softwares now. It helps knowing your budgets for each project. Budgeting is huge, making sure, a lot of people used to be pen and paper. Now you could be on the computer. Having it be right there is obviously very easy. Contractor payments as well, just so for organization purposes, and the contractors are able to get direct deposits. They're able to send pictures as well as I just finished this. Can you pay me the first construction draw? A lot of appraisals and a lot of different banks are using this method now for different types of construction financing as well. Team communication has been huge in the construction as well. You being able to connect with the plumbers, the electricians, the framers, your project managers, the appraisal guys, everyone under one software has made it very easy and a streamlined process. And another big thing that's happening in the construction industry is drones. So with these drones, they're doing a lot of property surveys. You can obviously fly them very high, and you can map out and track the parcels. And you get a perfect. A lot of the times, it's a staking out, but now with this, we're able to see an aerial view and just get different views of everything, and you're able to see a lot more. Um, Mobile apps as well, in the residential space and in commercial space, apps like Zillow and Crexy, Realtor.com, all these apps have made it very easy for buyers and homeowners to just acquire again from their couch. They can look through any and all houses, as many as they want all night, without even having to walk them. So technology has definitely made it a lot easier to do a lot of investments in the real estate and construction space. And then, of course, social media has been huge in every aspect as well, in marketing, new data, creating sales funnels, CRM, lead nurturing for brokers, buyers, sellers. And it's just given a very global impact view on how much, different people from around the world are looking to invest, they're looking to buy different assets and properties from around the world, not even like locally anymore. Before, a lot of the marketing was local newspapers, open houses. Now you can get people from different countries just joining your virtual Zoom meeting of the tour of the house, or your virtual renderings, and or just follow you through social media and doing the tours of any property, and webinars as well. So it's definitely has created a marketplace, an international marketplace for anything, in the construction. Obviously, the construction and real estate market is global, and it's growing every day more and more. Uh, what the future holds in real estate and the technology world, I think all companies that leverage technology and social media will see a huge boost in their operations. It's already happening. Being able to be more efficient, getting your eyes on their projects again, not only locally but globally, is an immense advantage. Obviously it comes as a cost, but it's an investment. Um, Also, being able to control and monitor the construction side has helped all projects, be way more streamlined, run smoother, more organized, and it keeps everyone from the top executives to the contractors very happy because they all know what's going on at the same in one place and at the same time. And obviously, with the help of AI and drones, is allowed to develop the vision of a project much quicker. And this is great for developers like ourselves that we pitch a lot of these projects to private investors, and being able to open up their vision quicker. Because one thing is being like understanding the vision in your head of if when someone explains it to you, but being able to actually see it with renderings, with videos, with all this AI that we are putting into our stuff. It makes all of our investors, all of our project managers, a lot more comfortable with what they're doing. We're able to ask more in-depth questions now that our eyes and mind are seeing exactly what is it that we're trying to develop, and this is way easier to secure funds as well with banks. And it makes the day-to-day grind of construction a lot easier as well because, as I said, like having it right there makes everything a lot clearer. And we're very excited for the future. Obviously, with the real estate and technology world, I think this is just the beginning of it. Who knows what else we could see? But as of now, I think every company that are using technology and are using social media are seeing the benefits of it. That's why, and all three of our companies right now, we're very big on it. A lot of CRMs with automations, with AI integrations. A lot of our budgets and construction softwares are all very big, again on tech most of our teams are all using iPads, so we're very trying to be very tech and high efficient. I think that's what the tech has created in our world, just become way more efficient. And I'm very happy to be a part of it, and I'm very excited. So Kevin, thank you so much for the time, and thank you.
Justin, thank you very much for your presentation. It was actually very informative. We learned a lot in terms of what is going on in real estate industry in general nowadays and what type of marketing practices are being employed, also how the digital transformation is affecting the industry. Thank you very much. I'm much appreciated for your insights. Now we have foundational knowledge and understanding of the real estate industry. Let's talk about how real estate companies can enjoy the benefits of the Marvelous Social CRM software system. For that, I'd like to invite Batu to our virtual stage. Batu will perform a brief demonstration of the Marvelous CRM software system, and you'll see how CRM is actually helping real estate companies and how you can enjoy the benefits of it. Some background information about Marvelous CRM software system. That is a true cloud CRM software system, easy to use. You can send unlimited emails to your clients, to your prospects and leads. We have no limits in terms of how many emails that you can send, and we also have no upcharge. You can send thousands of emails as long as you have the permission from the list that you have as leads or prospects. Feel free to enjoy the benefits of our email server and send as many email campaigns as you like. And our system also comes with ready-made reports, but we will show you in a minute. In addition, you can manage your social media accounts in one centralized software platform, the Marvelous CRM software. You may be using Facebook, you may be using LinkedIn, YouTube, or any other social media account. You'll basically have a chance to manage everything in one system. Normally, you need to log in separately and send messages separately for the social media management. Here in our system, you consolidate all of your efforts. You can also schedule your messages. You don't have to send right away. You can schedule what you will be posting next week, next month, in coming months, and you can schedule it. All these activities comes with activity reports and managerial reports, so you can improve your marketing practices. You can send SMS text messages to your prospects and leads. You can also send WhatsApp messages. We have natural integration. We have natural integration to Outlook as well as Gmail. So any customer meeting that you schedule in your Outlook or in our system in Marvelous CRM will go directly to your Outlook account, Outlook calendar automatically. You can manage your leads. You can manage your prospects, and we have no limit as many. You can manage as many as you want in terms of how many contacts that you like to have. The contacts may be your leads, your prospects, your current customers. We put no limit and we put no upcharge, just so you know. So you can have unlimited number of contacts on our CRM system, which will be really helpful for you because you like to build sales pipeline, right? So all the sales pipeline, also you can manage it in our system. You can manage unlimited number of sales pipeline. You can also automate your marketing activities. All of these emails and conversations recorded in our system. So you have actually a corporate memory in terms of customer interactions. You can also automate the marketing activities. We have actually, what we'll show you in a minute, we have actually an built-in workflow engine to automate the conversation and interaction with clients, email, and then SMS text messages, and then WhatsApp messages, and then another text message accordingly. So you can keep the conversation going with your customers, leads, and prospects. It's a very exciting system. Oh, by the way, it is AI powered. So if you like to send emails or social media messages, you can generate automatic content with the help of our AI engine within our software system, the Marvelous CRM software. Okay, great. Well, I think enough said from my side. Why don't we just show you and tell you how it looks, right? How it feels and how it runs. So for that, I'd like to invite Batu to our virtual stage. Batu, please take over the screen. Please show us the Marvelous CRM software and tell us about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin, for introductions. Now let's talk about the Marvelous CRM. The Marvelous CRM, the all-in-one sales and marketing platform, tailored for small and mid-sized companies and businesses aiming to enhance their operational efficiency, automate marketing process, unify client interactions, and reports in one comprehensive solution. The core benefit of the Marvelous CRM is to increase your sales at your organization. Before we start with the dashboard, I want to talk about our multifunction company capabilities. On the top left, as you can see right now, we can add as many accounts we want, and we can switch between accounts with ease as well. All right, now let's start with the dashboard. In here, you can see all your KPIs, key performance indicator, in a colorful visual environment. As you can see, we can see all our opportunity status, our opportunity value, our conversion rate, stage distribution, our funnels, we can see task, and lastly, we can see our lead source report, which breaks down the origin of leads. Next, let's move to the calendars. Our calendar interface, as you can see here, offers a comprehensive view of the month ahead. We can see the clean layout, the intuitive navigation, and the ease of access to any day required. Also, it is important to point out that anything you book on this calendar, it will automatically link to your own Outlook calendar as well. So what that means is it's integrated with your with Outlook. Over the right, we also have a handy mini calendar for quick date navigation and the user search bar, simplifying the process of managing multiple users and calendars at once. As you can see in this example, we have one, but again, we can add as many users as we want. And this concept goes with calendars as well. We have one calendar, but again, we can add as many calendars as we want. This goes with users and calendars. All right, now we're gonna move on to the conversations. In the Conversation tab, you'll see intuitive interface designed to streamline your communication. Again, with a simple, clean layout, this tab ensures that no customer query goes unnoticed. You can easily filter through unread, recent, stared, and all conversations to stay on top of every interaction. Next, we're going to be talking about the contacts. Contact serves as your central repository for all lead generation efforts. Here you can see an interface showing a list of contacts. The layout is clean with vital details like name, phone, email, creation date, last activity, and tags neatly presented. In here, we can also upload contacts in bulk as well. In order to do that, all the files needs to be under CSV file type. So as long as it is under CSV file type, we can upload unlimited of contacts through here. All right, so this was our contacts. Now let's move on to our opportunities. Our opportunities tool empowers you to adaptively manage your sales pipeline. This is where all your potential clients begin their journey from prospects to profits. Starting at the top, we can see the Marvelous Lead Management dropdown. This versatile feature allows you to switch between different lead pools, making it simple to manage multiple campaigns or product lines from one central location. Now moving down, we have the first column, the new lead need to call column. Every fresh opportunity begins here. With a clear indication of the action required, it ensures no lead goes unattended. Each card represents a unique individual, like we have Mark Demo here, for example, waiting for that first connection. Clicking on Mark Demo, we can see his contact details, potential deal value, and the best ways to reach out to him. Next, we have the no answer, left voicemail, and text column. This is crucial in track and follow-ups. For example, we have Eric Demo 2 as placed here. This is a subtle nudge reminding you of leads that requires that second touch. In the middle, we have the schedule a demo column. This is your indicator of progress. A lead like, for example, Kevin has shown interest and is engaging further. This is a commitment to discover more about what you offer. Moving on to the no-show response and follow-up in 1 week columns, they are currently empty, representing potential actions rather than current activities. And finally, we have the client close and client no choice columns. These are every lead's destination. The top right feature keeps your workflow smooth. We have the search opportunities, ensures you never lose a track of lead. We can also sort by, gives you a control over how you view your potential clients. And when you are ready to add a new opportunity, we also have the plus add opportunity button. It's your gateway to new businesses. As you can see here, in order to add a new opportunity, we're gonna have to put the primary contact name with their email, phone number, and additional contacts if there's any. Then we're gonna be inputting the opportunity details such as the opportunity name, the name of the pipeline, which stage they're going to be in, their status, and their opportunity value. Once you're all set with this additional information, we can click on Create, and that will update our opportunities dashboard. All right. Next, we have the payments. Let's start with the invoice section. Again, with a clean interface, you can generate detailed invoices, track which are due, overdue, or drafted, and even set up reminders for your clients as well. All right, so let's add a brand new invoice by clicking on plus new at the top right and new invoice. After that, the page will take us here. So under here, you can see at the top of the form, you can see the company information. In the middle, we're going to be choosing who this invoice is going to be billed to. So as you can see, when you click on it, we have a bunch of client lists. So we're going to be choosing, for example, one. Then we're going to be choosing our item. So I'm going to go with my good old coffee mug again and click on save. And below that, let's see if I want to add any additional notes, I can do them through here. And once I'm all done, I can click on save. As you can see, invoice is saved. And when I go back, I can see my brand new invoice right here with the invoice number and the customer name, issue date with the amount. Next, we have the documents and contract section. Here you can manage proposals, estimates, and contracts. We can also draft new documents, send them for signatures, and track their status all from one place. So let's add a brand new document as well. Again, we're going to be clicking on the plus new button. Then we're going to be clicking on again with the new document. After clicking on that, it will take us to this page in a couple of seconds. As you can see right now, we have this blank page. So I want to add an element to this blank page, right? So in order to do that, we're going to be click on the top left, add an element. After you're clicking on this, you can see our elements such as we have elements as text, image, table, we have bunches you can see right now. So for this example, I want to add a text first at the form. As you can see, by the way, everything is drag and drop, right? So you can do this with ease. So I want to add an image, and I also want to add a product list. And lastly of my page, I wanted the signature button of my page on the bottom right here. And I want to adjust this. And here we go. So this is the final, the shape of my document. As you can see, this is the text at the top, the image in the middle, and below that we also have the product list. And lastly, we have the signature on the bottom right. I can save this. Then when I go back to my main documents and contract section, I can see the brand new document that I just created. On the right here, the name is new document, status is still draft, and we can see the date modified and the value of that as well. All right, so this was document contracts. Now let's move into the payment links. So under payment links, you can quickly generate URLs for direct payments, facilitating a smooth transaction process for both one-time and recurring bill. In order to do that, we can create a new payment link on the top right by clicking on that, and we can put our product name. I have my coffee mug here again. We also have a couple options to fill. It's optional. We also have the advanced option as well. And whatever we added here, it will show up in here. For example, I add a product, and as you can see, the name of my product and the total value of it. And the only thing that left me to do is putting the first name and last name and email. Then we can click on pay, and that after that we can gonna save it, and that will update our payment links. As you can see here, we already have one existing one. All right. Next, I want to talk about our integration capabilities. As you can see, we have a bunch of payment integrations, such as Stripe. We can do with PayPal, Square. We can do .authorize.net, and so forth. Now, we're going to be talking about marketing. As you can see, you can connect your business media accounts to consolidate all your postings. We can connect with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and so forth. Next, we have the email campaigns. So under email campaigns, you can send unlimited bulk emails as email blasting. So let me show you how to do that. So let's create a brand new email campaigns by clicking on the plus new button. Then I'm gonna choose my template as a blank template. After choosing the blank, you're gonna be, getting which editor should I choose, right? We're gonna be choosing which editor. So we have 3 at the moment. We have the design, code, or plain text editor. For ease of use, I'm gonna go with design editor for this example. After choosing the editor, as you can see, we have the untitled campaign name, as you can see at the top. So I don't want this. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna add another element. I'm gonna be adding, let's go with image, as you can see. Again, what I'm doing is drag and drop it. And lastly, I'm gonna add a button. All right, so let's call this my example email, for example, email campaign, right? So I'm done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this and save, and I wanna send this. So I'm gonna be send or schedule. Let's click on that. After sending that, we have a couple options. We can either send them now. If you want to send them now, we can have putting our email with the name and our subject line. After that, we can have choosing our recipients. So who we're gonna send it to, right? So we have a couple options here as well. So if I choose all contacts, it will choose all the contacts inside the system. So currently I have 18 contacts in the system, so it's choosing all. But if I want to do one by one, I can do that as well. So if I want to choose for this only 4 person, for example, right? And I can do that as well by one. Once I'm all set with all the information, I can simply click on send, and it will only send this 4 contact. Or if I want to have a batch schedule, or if I want to send it in batches, I can do that through here too. In order to do batch schedule, we're gonna be choosing date and time of the batch. We're gonna be choosing the batch quantity. Then I'm gonna be choosing which days that I'm gonna be sending on. Then I'm gonna put my email with the name and the subject line. And lastly, again, I'm going to be choosing my recipients, right? I can do all contacts, or I can do one by one, as I was showing earlier. And once I'm all done with the information, I can click on schedule. And once you click on schedule, it will send on those specific dates that we choose. All right, now let's go back. And as you can see, the brand new email campaign we just created is here. It's title, untitled campaign name with the last updated is this date and time, and we can also see the status as well. If I want to track the statistic of all my email campaigns, I can do that through here. I can choose a date. As you can see, for example, we can do last 90 days or last 6 days and so forth, but for this example, we'll go with past 3 months. I can see all my conversion summary. I can see my engagement summary as well. I can see how many been delivered, how many been open. As you can see, when I drag it to open, you can see 2 of them are open and 9 of them being delivered. I can also see my performance analysis. It's been 9 emails that has been sent, 1 has been bounced. I can also see my open rate here as well. And I can also see my most recent emails with their title, with their execution date. I can see how many recipients it's been sent to, with their open rate, and so forth. And when you click on it, you can see the email details on the top right. You can see the preview. Again, you can see the type, the creation, when it's been updated, who sent it, and who's been sent into. And below that, you can see the subject is a bulk email test. 9 has been attempted, 9 has been sent, and 0 has been skipped. All right, so that was marketing. Now let's talk about automation. Here, you can create and manage workflows that streamline your marketing communication with your clients and prospects. We already have existing workflow, so let's click on that and we'll explore that specific chart workflow. All right, so this workflow combines appointment confirmations, reminders, surveys, and review requests into a single streamlined process. It's still in the draft stage, meaning it's ready for you to finalize and activate. As you can see, this specific workflow triggers by an appointment. So when you make a brand new appointment, it triggers it, and after right away, it will send you the confirmation email, right? And you're gonna get another reminder email 24 hours before the appointment with the SMS. And you're gonna get another email with SMS 1 hour before the appointment. So this is basically the flow that we follow for this specific workflow. If I want to add a brand new trigger, I can simply click on new trigger. As you can see on the right, we have a bunch of workflow triggers like contact triggers, events, appointments, opportunities, affiliates, courses, and so forth. So let's just say I'm going to add another trigger right next to the appointment. So I want to add maybe contact change trigger, right? After choosing that, I'm going to be choosing my trigger again, contact change, and I'm going to save the trigger. Now, as you can see, I had a brand new trigger called contact change next to my trigger appointment. So it's that easy, right? So basically literally clicking on 2 clicks and I can add the trigger. If I want to change the flow between 2 triggers, as you can see, we have plus buttons here, right? I can click on that and I can change the flow between 2 triggers. So if I want to add, for example, let's make this actually it's a little bit easier to understand. So if I want to change between the confirmation email and 24 hours before the appointment, I want to add the action between those 2 triggers, right? I can do that through here as well. As you can see, these are all actions. We have actions or contact, communication, send data, internal tools, and so forth. So maybe I wanted to create contact, it's the same concept. I wanted to create contact. When I hit the save action, that will update my flow between these 2 triggers. All right, so this was automation. Now let's move on to the sites. So moving on to the sites, which is a landing page. Here you're equipped to create sales funnels, build websites, and design forms and surveys. Funnels are the backbone of lead conversion. With the Marvelous CRM, you can build customized funnels that guide potential customers from awareness to action. For example, let's look our credit repair business funnel. With 4 steps, it's tailored to capture leads effectively, right? So if I want to add or edit or add a new funnel, I can do that through here. So for this thank you funnel, for example, I want to edit it. So let's click on edit. Once I click on edit, I can pretty much change everything, whatever you see here, right? I can change the layout, I can change the image, the text, everything. I can add new elements as well, right? So when I click on elements as text elements, I can add a headline, sub-headline, paragraph. I can add a blog post. We have custom elements as well, such as the map, survey, calendar, and so forth. And again, everything is drag and drop, as you can see right here. I can drag and drop it right here, and I add a brand new text column, for example. And it's that simple. All right, now let's go back. Let's go back one more time. Now we're going to be moving into the forms. Forms are basically your digital handshake. The first step in gathering essential information. With Marvelous CRM's non-core forms, like for example this registration form, you can gather data without any problems. You can also customize fields to fit your precise needs, right? So again, when you click on a specific column, I can change my label, I can change my placeholder, and so forth. If I want to add anything into the specific form, I can simply click on Add Form Element, and under Quick Adds, we have like personal info elements. I can add a payment, address, and so forth. Again, everything is drag and drop. I just dropped a full name column, for example, and I can add a first name column, for example, as you can see here. It's that simple. Everything in the system is drag and drop. All right, last but not least, let's talk about surveys. With tools like Customer Satisfaction Survey, you can gain insights directly from the source. Our conditional logic ensures you ask the right questions at the right time. Again, similar to forms, when I click on a column, I can change a label, placeholder, and so forth, right? And if I want to add on something to this specific survey, I can simply click on the Add Survey element. And again, everything is drag and drop. If I want to add a full name column, as you can see, I add a full name column right here, or like a first name column, I can add them through dragging and dropping on a specific elements that I want. All right, lastly, let's talk about reporting. In here, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of your marketing campaigns, sales activities, and overall business performance with our reporting tools. For this example, we have the Google Ads report. We can see our total impressions, total clicks, total conversion. I can see my conversion rate and the amount of money spent on ads as well. Below that, I can see all my campaigns with their status, with their total clicks, total cost, total revenue, and so forth, right? When I click on a specific campaign, I can see the ad titles for that specific campaign as well, with their status, clicks, cost, and their revenue. And the same thing goes with the Facebook ad reports. It's the same thing, but instead of Google, this is Facebook. So again, I can see my total impression with total clicks, total conversion. I can see the amount of money spent on ads, and I can see all my campaigns with their status, clicks, and cost. When I click on a campaign, I can see ad for that specific campaigns, ad or ads, again with their clicks, cost, revenue, and so forth. And we also have appointment reports. Under here, I can see all my appointments that has been booked, that has been confirmed, or if there's any cancellation, I can see them all in here. We also have a pie chart here as well, our channel and outcomes, and I can see the top 5 most booked calendars with type 5 appointment owners. All right, so this was everything in the web version. Now I'm going to be moving on to our mobile app. The Marvelous CRM is now available on the Apple Store and Google Play via our mobile app, bringing all these powerful features right to your fingertips, wherever you are. And I'm going to show the app in action as well. All right, now I'm going to be switching to my phone. All right, when you first open the app, you'll see the main dashboard as all your messages. As you can see right now, when you click on a specific message, this is the format. You can see all your messages for that specific person. Right next to that, you can see all our contacts, and you can also see our calendar here as well. If you want to make an appointment through the app, you can make that too. So simply click on the plus button and you can schedule an appointment. First, you're going to be choosing the contact. Then we're going to be, inputting the information such as which date, which slide, appointment title with their description. And once you're all done, you can save it and that will update our calendar. Now let's go back to our dashboard. And on the top left here, when we click on that hamburger icon, you can see all our sub-modules, I should say, right? You can see all our opportunities, our manual action, invoices, insight, tasks, reputation, products, and documents and contracts. When I click on opportunities, it's the same version of the web. You can see all our new leads, our hot leads, consultation, design, estimate, and so forth, right? I can also see my invoices there as well. I can click a brand new invoice. I can make a one-time invoice or recurring invoice for another one-time. I can add a customer. I can issue dates, due dates, and issue number. And after that will update my invoicing dashboard. I can also see all my tasks. These are all the tasks that I can see in the app right now. For example, we have the fixed landing page, connect the domain, and so forth. I can also see my products, I can see my reputation, or I can create documents and contract as well. As you can see, we created one document here. If I want to brand new document, I can do, click on plus button. I can search a template through here too. All right, thank you for watching. Kevin, back to you. Thank you.
Batu, thank you very much for the demonstration. Well, so far we talked about the digital transformation of real estate industry in general. We learned about how it is going on in the market from Justin. It was a very informative presentation. Also, thanks to Batu's demonstration session, you saw how real estate companies can enjoy the benefits of the Marvelous CRM system to send emails, to send WhatsApp messages, to manage sales pipeline, to manage the contacts. Very important. If you have sales pipeline, you are in the market, you have a chance to close a deal, right? So it's very exciting. So you saw the system in action. And as a follow-up to my conversation earlier, if you like to have a meeting in terms of demonstration or introductions or Q&A, we definitely welcome a follow-up conversation. You have our email addresses on the screen. Feel free to schedule a meeting with us. We'll be happy to meet with you in person or via Zoom, depends on where you are. And we'll be happy to address your questions and help you adopt digital transformation in real estate industry. Okay, great. Well, it looks like it's my turn now. Why don't I show you general information about American workflows and what type of enterprise business software systems that we have been offering at AWF. I'll tell you about it and address your questions as well accordingly. Let me share my screen and tell you about AWF, introduce you American Workflows Enterprise Software Company, AWF. American Workflows Enterprise Software Company, also known as AWF, is an AI-powered, feature-proof enterprise software publishing and distribution company for digital business transformation. AWF is based in New York, and we have global operations with the help of our channel partners globally, anywhere in the world. Our mission is to help companies, organizations, and institutions digitize, automate, modernize, and transform their business processes and business workflows. We do it with the help of our workflow software systems. When we look at our strategic partnerships, we are an Acumatica ISP partner, we are a QSAN ISP partner, we are a Microsoft partner, we are also a NYOB Advanced partner and Sage Intech partner. All of our enterprise business software systems work integrated with these business software platforms. We have Workflow America, that is a no-code business process digitization and automation software platform. It helps companies manage their business workflows, manage their tasks, manage their projects, as well as manage companies' documents to revise, create, update, and version. We have Workflow America, low-code business workflow platform that is also for digitization and automation of business workflows for more complex automation requirements. The Marvelous Social CRM software is an AI-powered CRM software system. It helps companies manage their sales and marketing activities, as well as sending email campaigns, manage social media accounts, also automate marketing activities with its built-in workflow engine. Quality Management America, that is Workflow America No-Code's Quality Management Edition, that is a quality, risk, audit, and compliance management system. It helps companies comply with ISO 9001, AS 9100 in aerospace industry, ISO 13485 in medical device industry, IATF 16949 in automotive industry, good manufacturing practices, SQF, BRC, and many other quality and regulatory standards in a digital environment. For these compliance requirements, you can enjoy the benefits of QMA in a digital paperless work environment. The Marvelous Contract Management System is an AI-powered contract management software. It helps you create, communicate, and deliver business contracts, vendor contracts, and customer contracts on the buy side and the sell side. Also, thanks to the AI technology, the software creates automatic contracts, automatic renewals, also analyze your business risks based on the contract's content. So it's a very exciting software system that's AI powered. If you are in the manufacturing industry or facility management or property management industry, you'll enjoy the benefits of AI America, number 6 and number 7. Number 6 is AI America CMMS, EAM. That is a traditional, modern, cloud-based enterprise asset maintenance, facility, and fleet management software system. Helps companies manage their assets, machinery, equipment, fleets, buildings, and also equipment, as well as their lifetime. Also manage companies' preventive, periodic, break and fix work order management. This software comes with ready-made reports such as MTBF, MTTF, MTTR, and other KPI reports are ready-made in this software system. If you are looking for a more modern AI-powered predictive machine maintenance management software, you can consider AI America P3M. That is an AI-powered predictive machine health condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, OEE, and energy management software system. Thanks to AI technology of this software system, you can eliminate the downtime completely in your manufacturing environment. It's an exciting software system, and if you'd like to schedule a demo, please let us know and send us an email to schedule a session at marketingteam@americanworkflows.com. The Marvelous APS software is designed for manufacturing companies. It is an advanced production capacity planning and production scheduling software system. It helps manufacturing companies address their planning constraints, also maximize their resources for production, man, machine, and material. It's a very modern software system. It comes with a Gantt chart, drag and drop. You can do fine-tuning for planning. Also, the Marvelous APS comes with unlimited what-if planning scenarios that you can run as many as you want, and you can make the best decision to put together the manufacturing plan at your manufacturing company. The Marvelous DMS software is a distribution management system. It is ideal for food and beverage companies as well as automotive spare part companies. It helps you manage your field sales force and field distribution force. This software comes with geofencing, so you can manage your area sales teams based on their designated area. And your teams can manage the shelves, check the shelves and inventory of your clients in designated areas and place an order for you right away through our software system immediately. There is QSAN Financial Fixed Asset Management System that helps companies manage their assets and their life cycle from accounting and finance point of view. You can manage depreciation, amortization, and other activities of your assets for accounting and finance purposes. And there is QSAN ERP, that's an enterprise resource planning software system. It is A modern ERP software system runs on cloud as well as it is ready to be installed in private cloud as well as servers. It has a modular structure. In addition to managing your finance and accounting operations, you can also manage your distribution, inventory, manufacturing operations. If you're a manufacturing company, it is also coming with a construction module and real estate module. These are really industry specific modules that we put together. And there is a native mobile app for this software, just like any other software systems that we have in American Workflows enterprise business software portfolio. We have customers and experience in many different industries, such as aerospace, aviation, automotive, finance, food and beverage, medical device, manufacturing, packaging, oil and gas, energy, pharmaceutical, nonprofits, and there are many other industries that we have experience and we have clients in, as listed on this slide. All of our enterprise business software systems are integratable. They have advanced integration capabilities. We can integrate our software systems to your IoT devices, manufacturing execution systems, your legacy systems, your ERP systems to help you integrate, automate, improve your business processes, and you can avoid double entry. By the way, I'd like to invite you to our YouTube channel. We have a very active YouTube channel, American Workflows YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos available. We talk about our business software systems as well as digital transformation, manufacturing 4.0, and we have other executive webinar recordings available on our YouTube channel that you can enjoy. Please visit our YouTube channel and subscribe at your earliest convenience. If you'd like to continue this conversation, if you have any questions, if you'd like to schedule a meeting for introductions, for a Q&A session or a demonstration, please contact us. I'm sharing our email address, phone number, and other sites on this slide, and you can give us a call, send us an email, and schedule time with us, and we'll be happy to help you and meet with you to address your questions and requirements. I'd like to thank you for your time and for your interest. I hope you found this executive webinar session to be informative and educational. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Feel free to send us an email. We'll be happy to meet with you for introductions as well as for a demonstration. And you can consider us as your trusted partner. We like to partner with your organization. You can be our channel partner. You can be our client, prospect, and partnerships are very important for us. We are in the market for a long time, and we are always looking for a long-term relationship. So please feel free to get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to have a meeting with you for introductions as well as demonstration. I'd like to thank you for your time and for your interest, and looking forward to seeing you at our coming executive webinar sessions. Thank you very much. Blake, back to you. Thank you very much, Blake.
Thank you for attending the executive webinar session. For more information about American Workflows Enterprise Software Company and its enterprise software products, please visit the corporate website at www.americanworkflows.com. Looking forward to seeing you at future executive webinar sessions of American Workflows Enterprise Software Company. Have a great day. Thank you.